Hi makers, I'm Sierra from sierrascraftycreations, and I'm the maker, planner, and organizer behind the Makers Retreat. The Makers Retreat came from an idea in late 2018, just from a conversation I had with another maker, talking about how cool would it be to have like a slumber party type of event with other makers, and the idea was born and I just went for it. And we had our very first Makers Retreat in 2019 in March up in Michigan, and it was so much fun. We've now had 3. The one that you're going to be watching today will be our 3rd Makers Retreat that took place in Ohio, which is my home state. We were in Hocking Hills, and it's amazing. So for those of you who don't know, the Makers Retreat is a 2-night weekend stay slumber party type of event with your maker friends online that you get to meet in real life. And it's so much fun. Not only do we get to hang out and crochet and knit and play with yarn, which is obviously an amazing part of the weekend, but we also have workshops during the retreat where people come in and talk to us about business stuff and teach us new things. And then we have hands-on workshops where we get to personalize crochet hooks, or in this one we got to do macrame wall hangs, which turned out beautiful. And each time we do something a little bit different, so people who have gone to the first or second one, or now the 3rd one, when they come back, it will be a little bit of a different experience. But the Makers Retreat was born for us maker ladies to come together, hang out, really get to know one another, get to play with yarn, get to learn new things, craft new things together, enjoy meals, and just really get to know each other and get that hangout time and relaxation time with like-minded people. That is why I created the Makers Retreat, and every retreat, when people leave, they leave with new best friends, and that is literally the best part and the reason why I do this. Seeing everyone's smiles and happiness is what fills my heart. I absolutely love doing the Makers Retreat and planning them, and I'm so excited for you to see the vlog of our most recent one in Ohio.
But I don't know how to be just friends. 'Cause I would love to be close to you. Tell me now, tell me something. But I don't know how to be just friends. 'Cause I would love to be close to you. Tell me now, tell me something. But I don't know how
guys, I hope you enjoyed hanging out virtually on the weekend with us. Huge shout out to Nicole from Woven Tail Design. She did an amazing job vlogging this, and we are so thankful that she captured all these special moments over the weekend. And if you guys want to join us for the next one, it's going to be announced soon, so be sure that you're following us on our Instagram account at The Makers Retreat. That is where all of updates, announcements, future stuff about the upcoming retreats will be posted, so be sure you're following along there so that you're in the loop with everything, and hopefully we'll see you at the next one. Bye guys!